Hey guys, what's up? Russian Nihilist here. Welcome to the Nihilist Show. And we have a caller, Cal. You're on the air.
Hi. As you all know, I'm just gonna go right to the point because, to tell you the truth, I think what your beliefs are ridiculous. I am, as you know, and as the viewers know, I'm a Christian, and I believe that God created the universe. And if you don't believe in God, then what's gonna happen when you're dead? What are you just gonna sit in the grave? And how are you alive right now?
Um, when we rot in the ground, sorry, we rot in the ground when we die, and we're alive because we have a heart, we have a brain, then we have the rest of our body.
Okay. Well, first of all, you don't rot in the ground. You either go to heaven or you either go to hell. And also, we were made by God, so.
Do you have any proof of this?
It's called the Bible, and do you have any evidence for what you're saying? Also, one more thing: the Bible is not just a 2,000-year-old book. It has everything in it that's going to happen. So read it, love it, understand it. I recommend converting, but your choice. I mean, and who made the Earth? And don't say like molecules, because who made molecules?
Uh, okay. The Bible is not evidence. Do you consider the Harry Potter series to be evidence for the existence of Harry Potter? Of course not. And if you do, then you're stupid. Um,
Okay.
and see, but you're asking me the wrong question here. You ask me who made the molecules or who made the Earth. Why does it have to be a who? Why can't it be a what?
Okay. So what made the molecules?
Nowhere in the Big Bang does it say anything about molecules. Uh, the Big Bang was a cluster of dark matter that exploded because it could not store any more energy. This explosion expanded the universe and let out all the elements. And over a long period of time, these elements created rocks. And that's just to oversimplify so you can understand it clearer.
Okay.
So, and then over another long period of time, it formed planets, stars, nebulas,
Okay.
galaxies, etc.
Uh, I appreciate your reference to the whole Harry Potter thing. That's just a simple reference, and the same thing goes with the molecules thing. Just a simple reference. Could you answer this? Do you know how long it took to write the Bible?
The New Testament, I know that it was about 100 years, and it started to write after the death of Jesus. Um, and I'm not quite sure how long it took the Old Testament.
Okay. Uh, um, do you know why? And this is just a reference. Do you know why men have one less birth than women? If you want to learn that, you can go ahead and read the Bible. I mean, it's just one of the things. The Bible teaches you many things. So, you know.
Uh, Men don't have one less rib than women. That is a myth. Read a science book.
Well, why read a science book when I have an X-ray and it's in the Bible, basically?
Why read a science book? Um, Science is the observation of the natural world. It helps us understand and
Oh,
learn
okay,
things and learn about how things work.
okay. Why read a science book when I have seen an X-ray and it's in the Bible? Just like I said before. Um, we think what we want, and you think what you want. Thank you for not saying bad words or being mean, all that stuff. But I just, what I believe, what you believe, is ridiculous. To tell you the truth, I hope you convert your choice. I recommend it because I think what you believe is ridiculous. Goodbye.
Um, wow. Okay. Before we leave off here, I would just like to say that that conversation is what I find probably one of the most Christian degrading conversations ever. Because that guy clearly knew nothing about what science does, how it works. They Christians like him tend to mm, they tend to mix up their information from the Bible, and when they do this, they take in the good parts. They leave out things like slavery, and they leave out things about sexism and stuff like that. They take the good parts from the Bible and try to shove them in non-believers' faces, which I think is just they're trying to pull a move. And with that one bone myth about the rib, that's false. Just so you guys know. um, I don't know where he got the idea of molecules. That's another Christian oversimplification. It's nowhere near molecules, so it's not really oversimplifying. It's a misconception. They really don't know what they're talking about, which is, I think that in order for us to actually talk about things, we need to have more of, we need to be smarter. We need to learn more before we try to debate it. So, thank you guys. This is the Nihilist Show. See ya.